Not that
Oh my god! Oh my god! There's a wild bird in here!
Yeah, there.
Oh,
The
let's
other way,
go.
the other way. Ah, there's the doorway open. You're gonna knock herself out. Here, we're gonna try and flush her that way because the front door's open. Come on! No.
You don't speak. They can't speak human talk.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Honey, can you get me a towel from the counter?
Okay. Okay, I got the towel.
Come here, honey.
Catch it.
Okay. Oh! You got out.
It's going very fast.
It's okay. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way, honey.
Maybe you're just tracking me. You can do it! Oh!
Show itself. Oh, now it's underneath. It's underneath here.
Hey! Oh.
Hey. Come here, honey. Hey, sweetheart.
Okay, we haven't capped him.
Yeah, you can see his little mouth right there. He's breathing real fast. Need to get him out here.
Okay, now you should be
Are you gonna
free.
tape the freedom?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Here you go. I hope you didn't kill yourself doing that. It's okay, honey.
He's scarred by the whole experience.
Yeah.